Have you ever thought about it that miracle happen in your life or anybody's life? They can see through it. Miracle will happen to those who actually believe on it. If you believe on God, if you believe on cosmos energy, if you believe on universal energy, if you believe one source of energy in the universe who's holding everything, doing everything every day, then you are the believer. And whatever you think that will happen one day, if you are a believer, that will definitely happen. Because if you take this code that is called Kundalini awakening code in your life, you will see the miracles. You will see your personality gets changed. You will see yourself. There are a lot of things that you need to explore, will automatically reveal in front of you. So I am Sushil Sharma. I am here to help you with the Kundalini code that is called Divine Energy Automation Code that will do everything for you. You don't need to do anything except believe. If you believe and have patience to explore this miraculous change in your life, then I'm here to help you, because I'm getting many people every day. They want to change their life 360 degree and they want to make changes permanently. I'm here to help, so don't worry. I can give you the path and the code where everything will happen automatically like AI, because I'm talking about NI, and NI is a natural intelligence, and that will make the changes in your life, in your body, mind and soul. So if you're ready for BMS change and would like to see the miracle in your life, I'm here to help you. Click the link below and we'll meet in the workshop. Thank you. God bless you.